Man, guys, check out this beautiful sunset. Oh my word, like I had to come outside barefoot and all. Hey, what's going on, guys? I am making a... How many of y'all have seen the movie Matilda? If you've seen Matilda, I'm making a chocolate cake that Miss Trunchbull, Principal Trunchbull, had that kid eating in the cafeteria. 3-layer chocolate cake from scratch. So hit the comment section up if you've seen that movie Matilda, you know what I'm talking about.
Back at it again with 1 a.m. dessert.
While we waiting on Bay, we know we've been missing y'all, but it has been a lot going on between bringing baby Alex home. We have been sick as all get outdoors. Our boys got sick and they spread it like the contagion. So we're just getting back to normal in the swing of things. Man, it was bad.
Stomach.
Yes, or as their doctor said, viral crud. Man, wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. And they did some stuff to me, and to say I wouldn't wish that on them, that's a lot. But we gonna be good. We gonna be better, y'all. You know she could be. Let's see what we doing over here.
Down below your favorite type of cake or dessert. Doesn't really matter.
And if you're in the
your
local
favorite
area,
sweet.
And if you're in the local area, you'll be entered into the giveaway to get the dessert of your choice. Well, that you comment, rather. I ain't gonna say your choice because I mean the dessert you comment. So hit the comment section up.
What's the rules? Comment down below your favorite dessert or any dessert. And if you live in the Birmingham area, we will make a video and you can get the dessert.
Not necessarily Birmingham area, Birmingham and...
Gotta say Birmingham, that's where we live.
Can't really say Birmingham when Tuscaloosa's a hop, skip, and a jump away.
Nah, we ain't coming to Tuscaloosa to bring nobody no dessert. You too far.
Yeah, we will.
No, we won't.
Yeah, we will.
Bay said Tuscaloosa's, y'all can have a dessert too. I guess it will Bay say. Cause more than likely he's gonna make the dessert. I make the food. You want some food? Come in some food you like. I'll cook you some food.
Alright, Bay, don't be throwing no slugs like I can't cook now. How about you be doing the food like you?
Okay, but don't you be throwing stuff like I can't bake.
I didn't say you couldn't bake.
But I'm saying who does the most? Who baked the most? And who cooked the most? Silence means I'm telling a lie. What? Hello?
It's okay, but
Who?
you cooked the most.
Bae.
Yep. Cooked the most.
He don't never want to give nobody else no credit. They going in. They going in. Nobody told you to stop recording, camera. Look at my Juju. Hi, Juju. He's gonna be 2 tomorrow. Okay, so the story, well, wait till the camera focus. Okay, so story on how Andrew became Juju. Well, when Andrew was born, Ada Fritz, and the reason why you call him, everybody asks why we call him Ada Fritz, is because if you ask him what his name is, he's gonna tell you Ada Fritz. So we just started calling him Ada Fritz.
His whole name.
Like he said that's his name, so that's what we call him. If you call him anything else, you say Bay, Blue, whatever you call him, anything else, he gonna say my name is Ada Fritz.
Put some respect on it.
So when when Andrew was born, Ada Fritz was about 11 months. About 11 months. And he could not say Andrew. So he just would say Drew Drew. So everybody just started saying Drew Drew. And it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Nope. It's stuck.
It's stuck. Whatever. So Andrew is Drew Drew. Drew Drew on the beat. He liked that song too. Not Juju. Drew Drew. Drew 2 times. He big enough for it. But then let me show y'all. Back to the picture I was just showing y'all. He was only like 6. He was only like 6 months in this picture. He was a huge baby. And he still is a huge baby. Him and Ada Fritz are literally the same height and literally 1 pound away from each other.
3 pounds, 1 inch.
Yes, in between them. And they're 11 months apart. So now they're pretty much twins. Okay, babe, you ready for the second part? A lot of people don't like buttercream icing. Comment down below your favorite type of icing.
Yeah.
We're gonna be looking for these comments. See if y'all watched the video.
Yep. Because we're engaging y'all. We want y'all to engage with us. We don't want to just be talking to ourselves. We want to get input and feedback. We like to be talking.
Say it again. But you can't keep talking from all the way across the room. I'm gonna have to follow you around like the cameraman.
That's what you supposed to be doing.
You keep walking. I ain't following you to no damn trash.
Oh, well.
What kind of cameraman follows the cameraman to the trash? Let's go to the trash.
But see, babe, you just said what kind
Let's go to the trash.
What kind of cameraman follows the cameraman? I'm not the cameraman.
I mean, what kind of cameraman follows whoever they're recording to the trash? The trash?
You follow them so you can pick up on what they're saying. That's the
I ain't following you to no trash.
Don't they follow people to trash cans and move? Don't they follow people to the toilets and the restrooms and move?
I ain't even getting paid for this. I'm not a real cameraman.
You is getting paid for this in my love and my care and my affection.
And cake.
That too.
Follow us to the trash.
Doo doo doo.
I don't have time for this.
Yeah, you do. That's why you up. That's why you're up.
The good part.
The cream. So I had to make a 1 a.m. trip to Walmart to get me a cake pan. Now let's see if they got what I need. Because
first of all, how you make a cake without a cake pan? While he went to go get a cake pan, I had to jump in the shower real quick. Y'all mamas know out there when a baby is asleep and everybody in the house sleep, what that mean? Time you do what you need to do. Take a shower. Let me show y'all the time. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, cake is out. Look at this icing, y'all. This is dark to me. It be lit around here. We got cake going on.
All hours.
It's 2:20 and it's an alarm going off this way. Okay. Okay. This little film waking up.
That's when the camera died at home.
Hello.
Hi.
You waking up for the video? You want some cake, Alex?
Nope.
You want some cake?
You see.
Okay.
Well, you guys, we tried to get a video done real quick, but little Alexander here woke up, so he gets to
Now you
say
wanna be
good night to the vlog with us.
Say good night, vlog.
Say bye bye, people. He just finished.
Say good night,
Say
vlog.
good night, people.
Vlog.
Say hey, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Say good night. Be sure to subscribe.
Like. So, but seriously, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. The bell is very important. It lets you guys know when we upload, so you can get more little man here.
Good night.
Good night, people.